In today's episode, I am going to show you how to make the classic Italian sauce marinara. Marinara is a delicious base for so many incredible recipes that I'm going to show you in future episodes. Stick around, this is definitely one you want to see. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paul's Kitchen. My name is Paul and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to show you my take on the classic tomato Italian sauce marinara. This thing is incredible and is the base for lots and lots of delicious Italian meals. Mamma mia! Anyway guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. In the meantime guys, let's dive straight in. All the ingredients for this recipe you will need are right here. Don't worry if you've missed those ingredients, I will be putting those in the info box below, so do check out down there and you'll catch them all down there. So as well as those ingredients, we will be using some Italian olive oil as well. So the first thing we need to do is we need to prepare our onion. So we're going to take our onion like that, we're going to take our sharp knife, please don't try that at home, and we're just going to cut straight down the middle of our onion. We're going to take off one of the ends, we're going to slice it and then dice it. Lovely. Next, we're going to take a bowl and pop that there, and we're going to place all of our onions into our bowl. And we're going to take our onions, we're going to put these to the side because now we need to prepare our garlic. If they're a little bit bigger, just use two, or if they're really big, just use the one. But we're just going to pour these out just like that. We're going to take the ends off, we're going to peel these, and I'm going to take my microplane and we're just going to mince these up. We're going to take our little palette knife and then we're just going to put all of our lovely minced garlic into a little pile like this. So we're going to take the glass bowl that it was in and we're just going to put all our garlic into our little glass bowl, just like that. Just going to move that across and place that with our onions. Now I'm going to take a lighter and I'm going to light our stove. So now that our stove's lit, we're going to take our oil. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil into our saucepan. So let's pop that back down there and wait for our oil to heat up. So our oil is now nice and hot. We're going to take our diced onions, we're going to put those into our saucepan and we're going to lightly cook our onions until they're nice and translucent or a little bit see-through. And once they do, we're going to take our garlic and we're going to pop this in there as well, just like that. So the reason I didn't put the garlic in with the onions to cook it off is because the garlic will cook so much faster than the onions. I don't want to toast it or burn it as what would have happened. So anyway, we're going to keep on cooking our onions and garlic until it looks like this. Once it does, we're going to take our chilli flakes and we're just going to pop those in there as well. We're going to cook this for another few minutes or until it looks like this. It's time to take your tinned tomatoes and pop this into your saucepan and just make sure you get all this lovely tomato juice out. So we're going to cook our marinara sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes to make sure our tinned tomatoes are really cooked and that bright flavour that you get in tinned tomatoes comes out. This sauce is absolutely incredible and it's definitely worth the effort. So we're going to keep cooking our sauce until it looks like this. Once it does, take your oregano and your basil and just stir that in. Now it's important to put your herbs in right at the end, that way you don't kill them and you still get all that delicious flavour through your marinara sauce. All there is left to do now is to cook some pasta and stir our marinara sauce through our pasta. It's going to be amazing. Lovely, we're going to take a raccoolie thing and pop that there and we're going to bring our saucepan over to here. As you can see, it looks absolutely delicious and all we need to do is we need to plate this up. So I'm going to take a nice white plate and pop that there, move this across. We're going to take our tongs and we're just going to plate this up. Lovely, and then we're just going to drop that in the centre. And the finishing touches is to take some fresh parmesan and just sprinkle that all over the top. Look at that, perfect. So yeah, that's how you make a marinara sauce. Really quick, really simple, and it's also really cheap to do. Feel free to not put any chilies in there. I just like chilies, I like a little bit of heat for my food, but you don't have to do that. But that is all I've got time for this week. Stay safe, look after yourselves and each other, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you, bye-bye.